Collab time. Today is collab time. Beauty over 40 collab is today. Our theme today is to create a look around the red lip. So I'm going to create an eye look that will go with the red lip. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information is in my description box. Please, please, please go check on them and see what look they create around the red trending lip. I'm using a very light eyeshadow to go over the base. And with the same brush, I am going to go into a dark brown that's there, and I'm going to put it on the lids and in the crease. The first color I put down was to anchor this brown I'm putting in right now. If you look, you can see the difference. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Life is important. Never, ever, ever stop praying. Prayer is good. Keep praying. I put some glitter glue down, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this shimmer and put it right here in the middle, just to bump up the look. Today's I am is there are no questions without answers. There are no questions without answers. Today's collab eye look, the theme was to create a look around the trending red lip. So I create this look to go with this red lip. I use the Revlon polish. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you always. And until I see you and you see me, remember, every question that you ask, have an answer. Every question that you ask or you have an answer. Bye.